I am here to tell you about the key features of the solar panel ground mounting system developed by Tianfon New Energy technology. This product is a versatile solution, suitable not only for ground-based arrays but also for concrete flat roof installations. Conveniently, both framed and unframed modules can be installed with a tilt angle from 0 to 45 degrees. About the main system's materials, in addition to the most used materials in the market such as Q235 and Q345 steel, galvanised SUS 304 stainless steel and anodised aluminium 6005 alloy, we can also provide other types according to customer requirements. High quality materials and proven design guarantee operational stability and safety, as well as the ability to stand up to wear and tear and weather extremes, including wind loads of up to 216 km per hour and snow loads of up to 1.4 kilonewtons per square metre. Intuitive design with factory pre-assembled components saves time and facilitates construction site works. Installation is quick, easy and trouble-free. Our highly experienced engineers will provide professional guidance to customers over all related aspects. We can also offer online video chat support and send our engineers to the installation site by the customer request. The system can be installed in various terrain types, including both plains and highlands, as well as areas with special installation conditions such as deserts. By customer request, we can customise the system, making a perfect fit to your specific conditions. Our minimum order quantity to this is 5 sets, and our monthly production ability is 50,000 sets in total. The product is packed in fumigated wooden pallets or packed in bundles with plastic film on both sides to ensure safe and damage-free transportation. If required by the customer, we can send product samples before the main order. In warranty terms, we offer 10 years product warranty for these. The product's reliability and quality are confirmed by the industry standard TÜV and SGS certifications, as well as European CE. In addition, we can also provide other certifications required by customers. Henan Tianfon New Energy technology is a highly experienced manufacturer of solar mounting systems and related accessories, with a history of over 22 years, more than 100 employees and an annual production capacity of up to 8 gigawatts and more than 300,000 tonnes. In order to maintain a leading technology in this field, we can actively introduce latest trend technologies in our products and equipment. Also, our company closely cooperates with design departments of the major power investment and construction companies, design institutions and R&D facilities. Examples of our projects include 355 megawatts ground solar power generation in Vietnam, 120 and 122 megawatt solar power generation projects in China, 81.24 megawatt solar panel generation in Pakistan, and many others. Our company always adheres to the concept of mutually beneficial partnership. We will assist with best service to our respected customers all around the world. Your satisfaction is our ultimate pursuit.